So it's Thanksgiving Day and the snow is still here. It's probably gonna stick around for another couple of days. It's gonna be warming up here in a little bit. And we'll probably be back to rain as the normal weather pattern here. But this will probably be the last snow I see until I get to Germany. Now it's time to give the birds and the squirrel their Thanksgiving meal. They're out here eating. I've got to refill the feeders so they can have a happy Thanksgiving dinner. So I come out here to get some beets from the garden, and the deer have been doing some pruning to the trees. The deer don't really prune in a way that's very nice or beneficial. They kind of just prune the whole thing and then some. You're the guard dog. You're supposed to be on guard duty. Go get him. Go get him. Go get the deer. Biddy has caught a little mole here. I'm gonna save it and put it somewhere in the woods so the cat doesn't continue torturing it. Lately I've been having to save a lot of the little critters. Biddy. No, go on. Get. He's really scared and stuff, so I'm gonna take him and put him in the woods. I'll let you loosen this big stump here. Okay. There you go. That was probably more terrifying for him. Poor little guy. At least he's safe now. He won't have to deal with the mean, vicious kitty cat. Your little pet is gone. I saved him. No more pets for you. Well, today I'm going to seed this place where I've torn up the soil from reshaping it. I'm going to seed it and then put straw over the top of it so it'll come up nice in the spring. Okay, all the grass seed is on. Now I'm just gonna put out the straw bales and spread them out, and that'll provide some insulation for the seed. And in the spring when it comes up, as the straw decomposes, it'll give it some food. When we're all done building, I'll probably have to end up getting a riding mower because this is going to make a lot of grass that'll need trimming. That's on the wish list, I guess. We'll see.